Before the opening bell, U.S. futures remain on the upside after they close mixed on Wednesday. This all as 55% of S&P 500 constituents managed to trade higher yesterday. Now, after the markets closed, Tesla in the headlines after gaining ground pre-market as the stock was upgraded to buy from neutral over at Goldman Sachs. And then we had shares of 3M in the headlines as the company is planning to initiate restructuring actions that will impact all business groups, functions, and geographies. As a result, the company expects to take a total pre-tax charge of $250 to $300 million. And then there's Dollar General, which posted third quarter comparable sales up 12.2%. Higher than anticipated. Now, in terms of earnings today, there's no major earnings expected on the economic docket. We do have some action before the opening bell. We do have the release of the Challenger job cuts figures, and then we also have the release of weekly initial and continuing jobless claims figures. 9:45 in the morning, we have the release of composite and services PMI from market, and then 10 o'clock in the morning, we have the release of ISM non-manufacturing PMI. Taking a look now at the markets, the S&P 500 is where we begin. That sees the bias remain bullish and in focus. Even though a continuation of the consolidation cannot be ruled out, the extent should be limited. Long positions above 36.37 are favored with targets at 36.77 and 3700 in extension. Meanwhile, the Nasdaq is looking for 12,630 while the Dow Jones sees a bullish bias above 29,730.